We'll guide you through how to make fisheye effect in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure Adobe Photoshop is open and your workspace is fully prepared for editing. Start by going to the top menu bar, clicking File, selecting Open, and choosing the image you want to distort. Once your image is loaded, navigate to the Layers panel at the bottom right side of your screen. If the background layer shows a small padlock icon, click it once to unlock the layer for editing. Next, right-click directly on the layer name and select Convert to Smart Object. This step is important because it allows you to adjust or remove the distortion later without permanently damaging the original image. Now, go to the top menu bar, click Filter, hover over Distort, and select Spherize. A settings window with a live preview will appear. Drag the amount slider all the way to 100%, ensure the mode is set to normal, and click OK. Instantly, the center of your image will bulge outward, creating the basic fisheye effect. To make the image look more like it was captured through a real fisheye camera lens, you now need to create the circular black lens casing around the edges. Click the Create a New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to add a blank layer above all others. Next, go to the left toolbar, click and hold the rectangular marquee tool, and choose the elliptical marquee tool. Move your cursor to the exact center of your canvas. Hold down Alt and Shift on Windows or Option and Shift on Mac simultaneously to draw a perfect circle outward from the center point. While holding these keys, click and drag until the circle touches the top and bottom edges of the canvas, then release your mouse. Now, go to the top menu bar, click Select, and choose Inverse so the outer corners become selected instead of the circle. Return to the left toolbar, ensure your foreground color is pure black, and select the Paint Bucket tool. Click anywhere in the selected outer corners to fill them with solid black. Press Ctrl+D or CMD+D to deselect the selection outline. Finally, go to Filter, hover over Blur, choose Gaussian Blur, and apply a blur of around 10 to 15 pixels to soften the inner edge, creating a polished, realistic fisheye lens effect.